Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use time jumpers. These handy tools allow you to quickly navigate through video content, saving you precious time. You'll typically find them on your video player's interface, often represented by icons like double arrows or specific time markers. They are designed for efficient viewing, letting you jump forward or backward with ease. Understanding their function will greatly enhance your video consumption experience, making it much more productive and enjoyable. Using time jumpers is straightforward. Simply click the designated icon to skip forward or backward by a predetermined amount, often 5, 10, or 30 seconds. For instance, clicking a forward 10 seconds button will advance the video by that exact duration. If you need to jump further, just click the button multiple times. This simple action helps you quickly bypass less relevant sections or revisit key moments with precision. For more advanced control, many platforms allow you to customize the jump intervals within their settings. This means you can set your preferred skip duration, perhaps 15 seconds instead of 10. Additionally, keyboard shortcuts are often available for even faster navigation. For example, pressing the left or right arrow keys on your keyboard might instantly jump the video by 5 seconds, offering a seamless viewing experience. The benefits of using time jumpers are significant. They save you valuable time by allowing you to quickly bypass parts of a video that aren't relevant to your current interest. Furthermore, they are excellent for rewatching specific moments, ensuring you grasp every detail. Employing time jumpers effectively can greatly enhance your learning and review process, making your video consumption much more efficient and focused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.